Hello, dear students, Hassan and Zahra Fadlallah. How are you? Hope you're fine. Today, I'm going to provide an explanation for the revision worksheet number 1 for this semester. Actually, yesterday, I provided a lecture, a video explaining the letter Ka with all its short sounds, long sounds, and forms. And I uploaded a worksheet on the Google Drive. Hope you've seen the lecture video and did the worksheet related to this letter. So today I'm going to provide an explanation of this letter. So before I start, I'm going to introduce the learning objectives for this worksheet. يضع خطاً تحت الأصوات القصيرة لحرف القاء. It means underline once the short sounds of letter قاء. يضع خطين تحت الأصوات الطويلة. Underline twice the long sounds. يملأ الفراغ بالشكل المناسب لحرف القاء. So you have to fill in the blanks with the suitable form of letter قاء. And then يرتب الكلمات في جملة مفيدة, which is unscrambling sentences. Now, let's start with this now. Let's start with the first question. What does the first question says? Underline the short sounds of letter qa. So I'm talking about the letter qa. What are the short sounds of letter qa? Short sounds, not long sounds. We have qa with fatha, qu with dhamma, qi with kasra, and qih with sukun. Okay, so qa, ku, ki, kih. Whenever the form is any form you find like this, or like this, or like this, or like this, you're gonna choose the short sounds. Let's see the first question. Here we have unqud. Do we have a short sound for letter qa? This is the letter qa, okay? Do we have a short sound here? No, we have a long sound. It's qu. Let's see the second one, maq'ad. Here's the letter qa, and it's having here a short sound, which is sukun, okay? Now, qurba. Where is the letter qa, the form of letter qa? This is the letter qa, and it's having above it a dhamma, because we know the short sounds are fatha, dhamma, kasra, sukun. So this is qu, so here we underline it. Maqar, here's the letter qa, and it's having fatha above it, so we have to underline it. Qaddama, here's the letter qa, and it's having fatha above it, so we have to underline it. Aqsama, here's the letter qaf, and it's having sukun above it, so we have to underline it. And here yaqussu, here's the letter qa, and it's having dhamma above it, so we have to underline it. Okay, so these are the short sounds of letter qa. Now underline twice the long sounds of letter qa. What are the long sounds of letter qa? We have to choose this form, guys, okay? Either this form or this form. When I say qa, qa, straight line, okay? qa, we add alif. Qu, we add wa. Qu, qi, we add ya. And qi, like this also we have. Let's see the first one. The first one is maqa'id. Where is the letter qa? This is the letter qa. After it, there is an a. So it's qa. So it resembles this form, okay? Anaqid. Notice here when I'm reading, they are not having sounds above it, either dhamma or kasra or fatha. Anaqid. So look here. Anaqid. So we have to underline twice here. Burtuqal. Burtuqal, we know that it means orange. Burtuqal. Qasim. Qarib. Okay, we have to underline twice. Qatil. Here, do we have this is qa. This is qa. But look what's having above it. It's having above it fatha. So can we consider it a long sound? Of course, no. Yaqra'u. This is qa. But it's having yaq. So we cannot consider it a long sound. Okay, so we don't underline them. Now, fill in the blanks with the suitable form of letter qa. What are the forms of letter qa? Let's learn together how do we write them. In order to draw the first form, we make a small circle and take it all the way down and we put a line above it. Then the second form is going to have two hands, okay? This is the first one, qa. The last one, I'm going to draw it, a circle, and take it all the way down, okay? Now, a line, then attach it to a circle, then take it all the way down. Now, the first one, this is at the beginning, so definitely we choose this form, okay? But when we draw it, you have to attach it to this, okay? They have to be attached. The second one is in the middle, and notice it's preceded by ma. So what do you choose this? Miqdar. Now, here we are having in the middle, and it's having a hand before it, so we choose this form. Now, here we have a hand. Which one do we choose, this or this? Of course, we choose this, okay? Notice, guys, it has to be below the line, okay? As I said yesterday. Now, azra, here we have ra. Ra, za, da, tha, wa, a. Cannot be a link to the letter after it. So definitely I'm going to choose this. Look how do you draw it. We start from here, a little bit above the line, a circle, and then I go below the line, okay? This is azraq, okay? So here we filled in the blanks with the suitable form of letter qa. Now, unscramble the following sentences. Let's unscramble to put the following sentences in the correct order. Here we have, this is fa, not ka, because it's having a point above it. Faris. Faris is the name of a boy. Kitaban, which is a book, okay? What does Faris do with the kitab? Reads. Let's see what you mean by reads. Yaqra'u. Yaqra'u. So, Faris reads a book. So, how do we enter? So, Faris يقرأ كتابا, okay? So فارس يقرأ كتابا, okay? And after we finish, we need to put a point. So guys, I provide an explanation for this worksheet. Tomorrow, I hope that you join me on the virtual office hour in case you have any questions. So by this, we finished now.